Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a real quick video about how to upload your Google Slides presentation to Turnitin.com. So the first thing that you're going to do is I've got my Google Slides presentation here. This is my digital poetry anthology with my creative title and my poem that I totally wrote. It begins, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate." And I even included my annotations, including the fact that I totally wrote this poem. So now that it's complete and ready to submit, I'm going to go to Turnitin.com. At the top, I'm going to go to create account, unless I already have an account, in which case I'll log in. But if I don't, I'm going to go here and we'll end up in the same place. So I click on create account and it's going to ask me again, are you sure you don't want to log in? No. I'm going to go down here to create new account as a student. And when you click that, it's going to take you here, create new student account. The first thing that you need to do is get your class ID and password. These two things come from the teacher and they're to get you into the class. So it's an 8-digit code that your teacher will give you and then a class password. And you have to make sure that you're using the right capitalization and all those things. Now that they know you're signed up for a regular class, you're going to put in your information. So I'm student mixed student. My email address is student@student.com. And of course, you're going to use your real name and your real email address so that you can log in successfully time and again. My password, which has to have 6 to 12 characters and a number. My mother's maiden name as my secret question, and it was Studentson. And then I'm going to check the box says I'm not a robot. And I don't know, do all that stuff to prove that I can create this account. Now I'm going to go to Turnitin. When I've done that, I've created my account. I get in here and I see, yes, I'm in the class. I'm in the right school, in the right class with the right teacher. And I click on the class and once again, I click on the class and it takes me here. I see the poetry anthology is due. It's due tomorrow. So I am going to submit. I have a couple different choices here. It starts with single file upload, but it might start you here with cut and paste. If that's the case, then you want to click on single file upload. I have my student name here, and my submission title is Margot's a poet, and she doesn't know it. Ha ha ha. Now I can choose from this computer, I can choose from Dropbox, or what we're going to do, we're going to go Google Drive. So it takes me here to Google Drive and there is my poetry anthology. I'm going to upload it. And when it's all uploaded, it'll take me here and it's going to ask me to confirm the upload. So it'll show all the different pages. You can skim through it and make sure that this really is the file that you want to complete to submit. When you confirm it, you'll see, yes, this complete. This is your digital receipt and you may need to hold on to this just in case you haven't submitted it to the right place. So now you're done. It's in, but you have to make sure you hit that confirm button. What your teacher will see when I log onto my instructor page, again, it's the same class, and I can log in here. I see student, mixed student. The title is Margot's Poetry Anthology. My similarity index pops up at 72%. When I click on it, it's going to show me all the different, hold on. Okay, now that we're logged back in, it's going to show me the entire slides presentation and it will highlight for me everything that pings as a match or possible plagiarism. And holy moly, it looks like this whole poem, except for some words that I misremembered, are plagiarized, right? So then this student is going to receive a number of administrative consequences, including getting a 0 on the paper and getting a phone call home and all that sort of thing. So in a perfect world, when you submit your paper, it will not come up as plagiarized because it's all your own work. And then you have a record of it in Google Drive as well as on Turnitin.com. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks.